Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauties Crowns. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleach my face at home. So friends, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, the bleach which I'm using here is from Fem. This is Fem Gold Bleach. You can go with any bleach which is suitable for your skin. You can go with, I just love using Fem bleach because they are so good and they are so effective. So here I'm using this Fem Gold Bleach. You can go with the fairness one, you can go with the pearl bleach, you can go with the oxy bleach, O3 plus. There are like so many brands, but Fem is like, it suits my skin so well and it's like so good, so I'm using this. So friends, let's get started. Let's start applying the bleach. So just make sure you're wearing your old sweater, your old t-shirt or anything which is older, shouldn't be spoiled. So here I'm taking my hairband, putting my all hair up like this, taking my wet tissue and removing everything, all the dirt and everything. So beauties, after removing makeup, I just washed my face with normal water and here is the bleach. I am starting applying it, the cream, activator and the spatula. Before applying bleach, just make sure your skin should be moisturized, so you can apply any face cream. I'm taking my Johnson baby cream and applying it on my face before applying bleach, because this will gonna work amazingly and it will gonna help your hair of your face to bleach well. So always apply a cream, face cream, before applying bleach. Entire quantity of this activator and this bleach and bleach cream actually, and I'm mixing it. So beauties, here I'm done with the applying of this bleach on my face, and just make sure you have to mix it well on your face. Just massage it very gently. I haven't applied it on my upper lip because this area is very sensitive, so I haven't applied it. Now I'm going to leave it like this for 10 to 12 minutes and then I'm going to wash it with cold water. Cold or normal water, I must say. So guys, here I am back after washing my face, and trust me, you can see this bleach made my skin so good, so clean. It removed all the tan and everything. So this is the process how I do my face bleaching at home. And after that beauties, I apply my face moisturizer from Olay. You can go with any moisturizer which we use. Just don't forget to apply moisturizer because bleach makes your skin super dry, like super dry. So always moisturize your face after applying bleach. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna answer you. So just go and do this process, do bleaching at home. Hope you have liked it. Please subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye and take care.